In today's video, we are making a pattern leather half shoe. Stick around and let me take you through the process. There is something unique about this half shoe. Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This is B-Footies. This is a channel whereby I show you how to make shoes and you yourself you can try something out on your own. If you are just viewing for the first time, please do well to like, subscribe and turn on the post notification. Don't forget to share as well. So let's get down to business. We all know the first step in shoemaking, whereby you place a pattern on your leather, on your material, and you draw out the design and cut out the design you are making. Same thing applies to this also. Okay, now let's get down to business. Let's follow the next step. Let's see what we have next. This is what we have next, whereby we place we tape our leather, we tape our cap. It is a cap loafer. It has a cap on it, a cap half shoe, a cap more. So we have our leather, we are taping our cap. So also we tape the material. Then after taping, after sewing the leather lining, we make use of leather lining. After doing that, we apply gum on it. After applying gum, we fold it. After folding, we then continue with our sewing. On the norms, we were supposed to mark out the area we are going to apply our cap. I told you the reason why we didn't do that. Okay, reason being that this is a cloth material. It can clean anytime. So as not to give yourself a two-time job, you have to chew and to be very careful of. If you are, it actually doesn't matter if you put it at first or now. It only matters the way you can handle it. That's why we are putting it now. We are marking it out now. So after marking out, we apply gum to it, which is the area where we are going to apply our cap. After applying gum, we apply gum on both sides, which is the leather and the cap also. After applying gum on it, we join together, as you can see. After joining, we sew. After sewing, we are almost done. We then lining our shoe, our half shoe. So after lining, we follow the next step. After lining, we trim the lining, we trim the excess part. After trimming, There is a strap on the half shoe. If you don't forget, there is a strap on it. So like I said, we lining. After lining, we sew. We all know how we line. If you are just doing for the first time, you can always go back to our recent videos and see what's up with that, how we did that. Okay, after lining, we sew. It's still always the same step. So after lining, we sew the lining alongside with the half shoe. So after sewing, we move on to the next stage. As the design implies, there is a strap on the design on the half shoe. So here we have our strap. We all know I have explained how we do our thing in my workshop, whereby we have every pattern for every job, unless it's a new design entirely. Then you have to cut out our pattern. We have to cut a new pattern for it. Okay, so we have our strap already. We applied a little gum on both sides at the edge of the strap, and also the area we are going to apply it on our half shoe. So while doing that, after doing that, we sew, then we trim also, so as to give it a clean and a neat job. So after sewing, we move on to lasting process. Like I said I'm going to make it short and quick. We all know how to last. Even if you are just going for the first time, you can always go back to my recent video. I'm so sorry, I got caught up with something, so I was unable to come up with a video, with a lasting video. So we all know how we last. If you are just going for the first time, you can always go back to our recent videos to see how it is done. So after covering our shoe, we mark out the sew alongside with the half shoe. Then we file. After filing, we apply gum to it. Like I said, it's a very sensitive pattern. What you do for first leg, you are doing the same thing for the second leg. If, as you can see, the tail stripes is at both sides of the shoe, so use it for the first leg like that, and use it for the second leg like that. If you are putting it on a straight line, let it be on a straight line for both legs, so that you have a clean and perfect job. So that's how it works for patterns like this, for designs like this. So that's that about that. Thank you very much for staying tuned. I will see you guys next time. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification. Stay blessed.